All right, so it says solve 5x plus 21 equals 2x minus 6. Show your work below and put your answers on a yellow box. So that's that yellow box you're going to put it in there. All right, so what you're going to do first, okay, what I always like to do in this situation, I always like to write the equation. So I'm going to write 5x plus 21 equals 2x minus 6. All right, so remember what we do. We always draw that line on the equal sign. So that's the first thing we're going to do. All right, so we want the x on the left, okay? And we want the number on the right. So looking at my right, okay, I'm going to get rid of that variable. So that variable has a 2 in front of it. So to get rid of it, remember if it's a positive number, to get rid of it, I have to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 2x. So if I subtract 2x on one side, what do you got to do on the other side? The same thing. So I'm going to subtract 2x. All right, so 5 minus 2, you get 5. I mean, not 5. That was my mistake. Okay, 5 minus 2, you get 3. 3 what? 3x. All right, so 2 minus 2, you get 0. All right, did we do anything with that 21? No, we did not. Okay, and we know that 21 is a positive, so I'm going to make sure I bring that plus. All right, did I do anything with that negative 6? No, I did not, so I'm bringing it down. All right, so now I have the number on, I just have numbers on the right, but on the left, I don't have just letters, I have numbers. I have that 3 and that 21. I can't get rid of that 3 yet, okay, because it's next to the x. So the other number that I gotta get rid of is that 21. So in order to get rid of it, okay, so it's adding. So what's the opposite of adding? Subtracting. So we're gonna subtract minus 21. If I do something on one side, do the same thing on the other side. All right, so 21 minus 21, you get 0. Negative 6 minus 21. So this is the part where you get that calculator. Okay, so the way that you would type it in the calculator, okay, you can Google calculator or use your phone. So when you type it in, okay, you will type in open parentheses negative 6 minus 21. Okay, so negative 6 minus 21. I'm going to give you a few minutes so you can get that. So therefore you get negative 27. All right, did I do anything with that 3x? No, I did not, so I bring it down. All right, what's the next thing? Okay, remember, we want to have that x by itself. So what's in front of the x? That 3. Okay, is there anything in between? No. So automatically, I know they're multiplying. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So we're going to divide by 3. If I do something on one side, you got to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3, we get 1. 1 what? X. Negative 27 divided by 3. So this is the part where you would type it in your calculator. Remember that negative 27. Okay. So if you're going to type this in, you will do negative 27 divided by 3 on your calculator. You will get 9. Okay, but what type of 9? It says negative 9. So our answer is x is equal to negative 9. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I write that answer on that box.